TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. 3 hours left to go in the trading week. Let's check in on the markets as Dow Jones leading the way in positive territory, up 93 points now, trading at 25,419. That's almost 0.4%. S&P's up 6 points, or about 0.25%, trading at 2833. And you have the NASDAQ negative 9 points, or about 0.1% in the negative territory, trading at 7793. Part of the action driving that Dow. How about IBM today before we jump around? IBM, Big Blue, up almost 3.5%. Quite an acceleration right off the opening bell, and basically at session highs as we speak. We'll check in on Apple as well. You have Apple making new highs today. We'll load that chart. There you go. Highs of the session, 208.64. The number that puts them over $1 trillion was 207.05. Dipped below that briefly at one point early in the session, but Apple new highs again. Once again, why not? Let's jump over the Nadex platform, take a look at some of the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow 30. A little bit of volatility early, making highs at 7:30. We trade down to lows at 9 a.m. and from there we take off topside 25,386 currently in that September futures contract. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different story. We make similar highs at 7:30, but from there it's been kind of a downward trend, currently trading at 73.84. Excuse me, S&P 500 as high as 28.36, almost back at those levels, just a few points off at 28.33. And gold contract, quite an acceleration from early 4 a.m. We're trading at 12.12 in gold. We trade all the way up to 12.28. Nice little $16 run on a Friday in gold, and backing off a bit, 12.24.35. Crude oil with volatility as well. Crude dropping. Started at about 11:15. Yeah, 11:20 a.m. Eastern time. We were reaching highs of 68.97. You're talking about in the span of about a half hour, we traded down a full dollar to a low of 67.87. And from there, we're up more than 50 cents at 68.39. And Bitcoin finally getting a bid off the lows that we made overnight of about 7,200 and change. Currently trading at almost 7,500, 74.83 in Bitcoin. Stay tuned. We have Steve Rhodes coming up right now for 1 o'clock hour. David White back live at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour. And I'll be wrapping up the trading week with Dave during that 3 o'clock final hour of the trading day. We'll see how markets shake out. Stay tuned for Steve's show coming up right now.